this is Telly coming to you with another DIY project. And today I'm making a vanity set. I got my wood slates, and I'm going to only do 3 out of the whole pack of 6. And I'm laying them out to see exactly how I will position the slates in the 4 mirrors. And once you got the correct position, you guys, I'm just going to lay my mirrors off to the side. And I'm going to reposition the camera so you guys can actually see. I'm going to use my industrial adhesive glue, the E6000, just on the 3 slates so I can stick them together. And this is going to serve as the base for the vanity set. Excuse my ashy hands, you guys. I recently just got out the tub. So basically I'm going to stick the 3 slates, the little wooden slates, together. And it doesn't require much glue to actually get these things to stick. This E6000 glue is the best. I'm just adding my last piece. I'm trying to make sure I position them correctly before it actually dries. And this normally takes around 10 to 20 minutes to dry, you guys. And I think I got it exactly the way I want them. Perfect. So I'm going to lay it down so it can actually dry. I had to make sure that the glue wasn't on the back of it. And I'm adding an extra line of the glue or the adhesive on top just to create that good bond to make sure it stays. And I'm going to allow this to dry like 10 to 15 minutes, you guys. And then I'm going to come back to do the mirrors on top. Okay, I'm back and I did allow it to dry, and now I'm grabbing my 4 mirrors. And I also peeled one of the black pieces off of the back so I can know exactly which way that mirror is going to be positioned on the slates. And the one that I peeled off is where I'm placing the glue. And I'm also going to add a little of my other glue on top just to make sure that it bonds together. Now I did put lines on it, which you guys cannot see, to actually let me know where each mirror actually goes on the slates. Again, I'm showing you guys that I left the other 3 pieces on, but I took one off. It lets me know that that actually goes at the bottom. Right. Adding some of my glue gun on top of the E6000.
Hey.
And firmly press down on them to make sure that they're positioned and actually staying where you need it to stay. And I'm going to repeat those steps for the last 2 mirrors. Again, adding an extra layer of glue stick on it.
Now, yeah.
You guys, I am not the best at positioning my tripod for my camera. As you can see, I will learn that in due time. Alright, the last piece is actually placed on. And I'm going to just get the extra glue off the top. And I just kind of put this on top to add a little pressure on top. Now this is how it actually looks, you guys, after it dries. As you can see, my base is perfect. And those mirrors are not going anywhere. Next, I'm going to grab my acrylic gemstones, or diamonds as I say, which I purchased at Micheals. And again, I'm going to be using the E6000 glue, and just add a strip right across where the lining of the mirrors meet. And you start positioning your diamonds exactly the way you want them. But I'm going to actually lay them on their side to add height to this vanity. And basically repeat that step, you guys. Just laying my diamonds down on their sides, and I will show you how it looks once I am done with this line. And then I'm going to pause the video and actually finish the vanity, because I'm pretty sure you guys do not want to watch me place each diamond onto this vanity set. And this project is actually good for like maybe on top of your dresser, or some people use it in their bathrooms, or you can actually use it in your living room for different pieces like a candle holder or anything. But I'm going to be actually using it for perfumes to add a little spice to the top of my dresser. And this is how it looks when it's done. Well, that line is done. I'm actually not done. And again, I'm going to be pausing the video to finish it up. and then I will come back and let you guys see. This is the finished product. As you can see, it's very blingish, very glamorous. You can use this piece for anything, you guys. And I absolutely love the way it actually came out. And again, I thank you for watching this video. You can like, subscribe, comment. Make sure you subscribe if you actually like my videos, you guys. Like, comment, and I do appreciate you guys watching this video. Again, thank you, and this is the finished look. Enjoy. Make sure you subscribe.